Hello guys, so welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you about the locations for real estate properties. Sometime we need state and city hierarchical for property locations. So I show you that how we can achieve this using real estate web with agency portal. You can find the link for this CMS in the description. Okay, I am logged in to the dashboard. So for activate the locations, I go to plugins. There is a plugin called property locations. I activate this plugin. After activate, it comes here, locations. It asks for setting the default setting. I just save it. You can see that there are country, state, city and zip code and sub area. Country by default is active, and for state and city and zip code, these are inactive. Zip code and sub area will be active when the city is active. If it's inactive, then there is no use for zip code and sub area. So let's activate the state and then activate the city and then zip code and then sub area. After doing this, let's create select for one country, India, and then United States. You can see two countries are selected. We get setting for this India. We can select Arabic, Spanish, French, and for United States we get English. Okay, now we select country India, and for India we select Rajasthan, Delhi, Punjab, Maharashtra. Same for United States, we select California, Arizona, and then Colorado. After adding these states, we can select cities. Click to add city. You can see that state is selected for Rajasthan. Now we can select Bikaner, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Ajmer. Now for Punjab we take Amritsar, Ludhiana, now for Arizona we take Phoenix, for California, Los Angeles, for Colorado, Denver. We can also add zip code and sub area, like select this zip code 334001, 334002, 334003, comma 334004. For sub area we can select Lalgarh, comma Ganga Shehar, and so on. We can select for comma separated. Okay, now our locations are all set. We can go through add new property. You can see there are different tabs: English, Arabic, Spanish, French. In English tab, we can see we selected English for English language. We will have state and cities for United States. So we can see that these are the states and no cities. When select Arizona, there is Phoenix. When select California, the city are changed Los Angeles. Now go to Arabic tab. We can see Maharashtra, no city selected. Rajasthan, Jaipur, no zip code, no sub area. Now go to Bikaner and we can see these are the zip code, these are the sub area related to this property. Okay, so let's move on, manage properties and make some change in this property. Colorado, Denver. Okay, we can see select Kanel. This is all set. Now go to the first page, home page. Because on the home page we are selected English language, so we are having state for United States and cities for these states. So when we move to the Arabic, we can see states are Delhi, Rajasthan, city are this, and we can select and we can see their property. This is the property we saved for this. I hope you like this idea for location, country wise, state wise and city wise. Please comment into comment box for more ideas. Thank you.